Hello, my name is Kristiyan Pandzharov, and I'm a student at West Career and Technical Academy. I'm in the 11th grade, and today I'm here to present to you Pixel Quest. Pixel Quest is an app that is dedicated to elementary students who are in dire need of tutoring and help with their academics. We have seen national headlines recently that show us that test scores have been in decline in the United States, especially among elementary students. The pandemic has contributed to this trend. I firsthand know that in a time of crisis and solitude, it can be very difficult to stay afloat with your academics. And I know a student's mental health can be affected by it. Children are among the most vulnerable in our society, so it is clear that we have to dedicate time and effort to helping students with their academics and mental health. Pixel Quest will ensure that students without a good financial background will have resources to improve their English and math abilities and ensure that no one is left behind. The game starts out with a menu screen that gives you the option to practice in English or math. And once the student makes their choice, their character spawns in the world and they're given a quest. They will follow a path and answer the questions that progressively get harder. If the student gets the question wrong, they restart. If they get it right, the barrier disappears and they move on. Some questions even have hints if they are too difficult, or introduce a new concept to the students. Each level has its own randomized questions, environment, and aesthetic. Also thanks to Photon, a networking framework for real-time multiplayer games and applications, my app can have multiple students play at the same time and work together to solve problems while also having fun. Pixel Quest was made in the cross-platform game engine Unity. With Unity, I was able to make a 2D pixelated game that offers a fun and educational experience to elementary students. I used C# to code my game in Unity, and I used pixel art to make my characters come to life with the help of animation, since it makes the experience more fun for the students. This game took hundreds of lines of code, so that students can see a variety of questions, hints, and levels to meet their expectations. I also made sure that my app would be able to run on Android, iOS, and on the web with the help of Unity so that everyone has access to it. Pixel Quest was made to help ensure that everyone, no matter their background, has a quality education and the ability to problem solve, because in a time of crisis, we need to have each other's best interests in mind.